the game. It's a rich thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenner. For you that are new, today we're gonna be talking something very special. As you guys saw in the video, I do have pretty much my front nice and done, nice and set. I do love the carbon fiber hood wrap. It just looks so beautiful, so nice. It's hard to maintain to keep it clean though. That's the only part about it, but other than that, I just love it. What we're gonna show you guys in this video, it's actually the real carbon fiber hood, the real carbon fiber trunk, and the front and back bumper from, I believe it's pronounced Khann, which is from Russia. Khann, I think it is. Yeah, this actually from Russia. The body kit from Russia, specific for this type of Camry. So stay tuned for that, guys. You guys know there is a custom lip kit over here, guys, that I do own, and of course the beautiful fog lights that I love, the round fog lights. On the back side, we do have the custom tuning diffuser that I did a little upgrade there. Painted it to my white Pro, paint matched to my white Pro. Same thing as the corner aprons, the beautiful dog bill. Also, big shout out to ZC Designs for the beautiful emblem, the Kamuri letters that we'll be talking about later, guys. You guys keep asking about it. We'll be doing a video on it. Alright fam, without further ado, enjoy the video with showing off the Khann body kit, front and back bumper, the carbon fiber hood, and trunk from China, guys. Huge shout out to my homie from Project XSE. I'll put his link down below, guys. Once and for him, when I got this video, he's the only one. Again, I'll put a video down below, the link down below for his first Gen A Camry shooting flames. So he was the first one, and now he's the first one actually to combine the Khann body kit with the carbon fiber. It's just a clean look. It looks amazing. I mean, he's the only one, because I mean, I've seen people with the carbon fiber hood or the trunk or both, but I haven't seen the Khann body kit combined with the carbon fiber. It's just amazing. This is not a camera anymore. It is what it is, you know. A huge shout out to Project XSE. I'll put his link down below, guys. Enjoy the video and hope you guys love it, because the Camry game just got hard, guys.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
I want to give a huge shout out to Project XSE. Thanks a lot, brother, for sending me this video. The car is clean as you know what I'm saying. His car is for sale. We were messaging back and forth. So if you guys, I mean, are in the area or just want a Camry already said and done, you know, I mean, there's nothing more to do. Message him, you know, put his IG down below. But once again, bro, huge shout out to you, bro. The Camry's clean, bro. It looks amazing. It's hard, bro. It's just definitely a heavy hitter right there, man. The car just looks amazing. Alright, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video, fam, with all your friends, to all the people out there, you know. And big shout out to all of you guys. We made it to 600 subscribers. It's a huge thing for me. for now, I just move forward. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next content. And remember fam, it's not just about the car, so stay sexy.